There we go. An adjustment here today. So you're having back pain, right? So you're originally like your baby like jumped on you, or what happened? Or what?
I was carrying her on my shoulders.
Okay.
And something,
just like
something in my back
roughhousing.
happened. Yep.
And then, okay, so and then you've been coming in for like a week or something, like a week and a half. So
About a week and a half now.
you know,
Yep.
getting a little better, but still having some issues, right?
Yep.
Okay, so let's get you. We're gonna get you adjusted and we'll get you checked out. So let's start here, and it's mainly here in the low back.
Yep.
Correct. Okay. And was it shooting down the leg at all? I don't remember.
It was at the
Which
beginning.
leg was
The
it?
left leg.
It's not doing it no more.
Nope.
Okay. Okay. And we're gonna lay on your side, this side up, facing me. Just come on down here. Come on. There we go. That was it. All right, we're gonna go the other way. Let me get the tailbone usually off, and okay. Just like this. Okay. Right here. Awesome. Moved like a dream. That was it. And we're gonna check the neck. Okay, we'll look to the left. Okay, let's come up. So, all good. The shoulder still bothering you at all or not? Okay, shoulders doing better?
Yep.
Okay, all right, let's do that then. And we're all good. We're all set. So. Okay. Well, thank you.